Hello guys, and welcome to David Zimaleta. In today's video, I want to show you my latest purchase. This is a Nissan Altima SV 2013. It has 46,000 miles on it, and I bought it at the auction for 3,200 bucks. It almost seems like the cheapest car in America type of video, and maybe it is. Let me know if I'm right. Let's take a look at this car, guys. Alright guys, so here's the car. Let's observe the lines. I mean, seems very good to me. Here's what it looks like. Of course, the rear wasn't damaged. The tires are good on this side, at least. I was always wondering, what is this? It says pure drive. These things do like 42 miles to the gallon, guys. About mixed driving, 38. City, 27. So this is a 2.5 Altima SV. So let's do the walk around. And there is no sunroof, but let's see if there's a backup camera. There is a backup camera, which is actually very awesome because on the inside, guys, these are suede interior. It does feel like cloth, but it's supposed to be, you know, suede or whatever. Basically fake suede, but it's looking really nice. So let's go ahead and actually get in it. So we have the key back here. Okay, boys, just go ahead and get in the car. Get inside. Just hop in that one seat for now. So you can actually start the car by pressing the brake. Wow, this is way too far. So pressing the brake and then on button right here. Apparently it's got a dead battery. So I wonder what's up with that. So I don't know if they're gonna jump it for me or what, or they expect me to do it, because I didn't bring any jumper cables. But they got the hood up and everything. So there's that. Battery's any good? Apparently that's going to be an expense already. But anyways, looking underneath the hood, it's not bad. It's got everything where it needs to be. So we have a couple missing clips, but it really doesn't go anywhere. They're just there for something, I don't know what. Now the headlight bulb is way behind there. It's a beautiful looking car. So now I just gotta get him to jump it for me. Sign of life. Take a listen to this engine. It works very well. I gotta close this up really quick because it's getting ready to rain. This is a beautiful car, don't you think? Man, it's actually getting ready to rain. Sign of life. Battery, it's dead. I think it's been here for 6 months, this car. I don't know. I'm really not sure. Does have power seats. I'm scooting myself up and take a look at that car that's up there. So I'm not going to be shutting the car down. I don't know if we'll be able to start back up again. I do gotta go to DMV. I already have insurance on this thing. Adjusting the mirrors so I could actually see where I'm going. Guys, as soon as I got in here, it recognized the fact that my iPad started playing. And check it out, I got a backup camera, guys. So it thinks I'm backing up, so that turns on. So that's actually really cool. So now we're gonna go ahead and put it in drive S. Let's see how well it drives. It seems to be driving very well. By the way, guys, if you have a Nissan like this and it's not starting, when you press the your brake and the push start button, and it says wrong key, all you have to do is get your key up close to it like that. Then it's going to start. That is a major difference, or you will not be able to start your car. Now, this does have an automatic start feature on the actual remote. We'll test that later once I get the battery replaced. Or maybe this one will become revived. I don't know. But I need to go back to this office and grab some tape. Alright guys, I returned the jumper cables and got some tape for the license tag in the back. Seems like the bolts a little bit small on my end. Gotta get bigger bolts. Guys, so far I'm impressed. I was technically buying a cat in the bag. I didn't look at it before buying, and I just basically jumped the gun and bought it because I see the $3,200 price tag. And what I ended up doing is just go ahead and grabbing it because I knew it's way below market value. The very first thing I did before grabbing it was very quickly run it on KBB, and I quickly realized just in a good value, the basic package, which this is not a basic package, it's $9,000 basically for just a good value car. So I'm gonna basically change things up, look at it with options, and I think we could make some money here. By the way, if any of you guys interested and you want to buy it from me and, you know, get a good deal, send me an email at zimaleta@gmail.com and, you know, send me an offer. And if it's reasonable, chances are I'll accept it because I'd like to move it quick if possible and look for the next deal. But this was not easy to find. This is kind of like a diamond in the rough. It took a while to actually find a nice deal like this where there's nothing wrong with the car. It's already ready to go, and then you just basically get it and you could drive it. So we're driving to the DMV right now, and once we get there, get everything set up and everything, do a little driving, I will update you guys. Alright guys, was at the DMV, got my 2-week temporary tags because it goes from the date of purchase. So now I gotta sell this thing in 2 weeks, so I gotta drive home, and the very first thing I want to do tomorrow is install a new battery in it. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.